Good morning, dear students. Good morning, all of you. This is a video of class 9, and in this video, we are going to discuss about the topic, and that one is drawback of Dalton's atomic theory. Before that, we had done about the Dalton's atomic theory. We had done about the set of all that atomic theory in one postulates, and we actually have discussed about all these things. So from that postulates only some of the drawbacks actually come. All the postulates were not wrong. Some of the postulates were wrong. Okay na? And that leads to give this drawback. Okay na? So here you can see the first drawback of Dalton's atomic theory, and that one, Dalton said that atom is indivisible, but we know that atom is no more indivisible. As you can see here, I will write atom. One atom is there, and one atom can break down into electron, proton, and neutron. So you can see this one is subatomic particles. Dalton said in his postulate of atomic theory that atoms are indivisible, but this electron, this atom contains breakdown into electron, proton, and neutron. So we can say that is the wrong assumption he actually made. One of the drawback you have understood. Now you can see, according to Dalton's, here something is problem. According to Dalton, the atoms of an element are same in mass and properties. But after the discovery of isotope, he said earlier that atoms of an element are same in mass and properties. Mass and properties. But after the discovery of isotopes, this again it has proven wrong, because isotopes are the same element. Isotopes are the atoms of the same element which have same atomic number but different atomic mass. You can see, I will actually take one of the example and you will understand that one. If I will write here chlorine has 35 atomic mass, and this atomic number is same. That's why it is isotopes. The definition you will learn. The isotopes are one which have same atomic number but different atomic mass. Cl 37 17. Now you can say it has same atomic number but it has different atomic mass. But Dalton said, atoms of the same element have same mass, same atomic number, but it is wrong. Here it is written atoms of the same element which have same atomic number but different atomic mass. But according to Dalton's, he said that atoms of the same element have same mass number also and same atomic number also. This is proven wrong. Third drawback was there, atoms of different elements, and you can take the example of argon and calcium and argon. These calcium and argon are the example of isobars. Okay now, and he said you can see here, according to Dalton, atoms of different elements have different masses, but it can be same as in case of isobar. So here you can see, here calcium and argon I have written. Okay na? Calcium and argon. This calcium has also 40 atomic mass. This is also having 40 atomic mass. So this one is having the same. Okay na? So his assumption was wrong. So that is one of the thing you have understood. Now modern symbols of element. Dalton's atomic theory has given some of the symbol. It was very complicated. It was inconvenient for to learn that one. So Swedish scientist was there. So not news, not Sony. So okay, the Jacob Berzelius was there. Jacob Berzelius, one of the scientists, was there. Swedish scientist who said that he actually gave the new style to learn the symbol, and that one is later on called as modern symbol. Modern symbol, so new, not Sony. Okay na? So new system of representation was suggested by Johannes Jacob Berzelius. Okay na? He was a scientist. He actually given some rule. He actually gave some rule. He suggested that atoms actually, how we can write the atoms, how can you write in the symbol form. Okay now, just see the atom. If hydrogen is written, get their first name, H, capital H. It should be the symbol of that one. Okay now? And if you can write the any of the elements from its scientist name also. Rutherfordium, one of the element is there. Actually, the scientist kept in the honor of that scientist. That one is Rutherford. Okay na? One element is there in the periodic table. That one is Rutherfordium. Okay na? So that is in the honor of that scientist. So we can give, if you are seeing some element, suppose hydrogen is there, next helium. I have told you hydrogen first letter capital H, second letter C. Hydrogen capital H, and in the helium capital H, both are there, both are common. So what will you do? Just if you are seeing that cases are coming, then in the second one, helium, you have to write the second letter in the lower case. Okay now? So helium, here I will give some example and you will understand. Carbon, first letter C. Chlorine, first letter C, and second letter is not H. Okay now? Here Cl you will take. Okay now? Here you can take oxygen, capital O. Okay now? And you can also take different element, and here you can see hydrogen and helium. I have actually given that example. Hydrogen capital H, and helium, here you can see again H, and H is here, so I will take H and lowercase of helium. The next letter is E. So this is the thing you should understand, that first letter and the next letter in the lower case we can write. Okay now? Then after we will see the rules for writing the symbol of the element. Here whatever I have told you, this is in the sum of new thing is also given here. The first capital letter, from the name of the element is taken as symbol. Okay na? First letter. Okay, if two elements start with same letter, then second letter is added to the symbol, and second letter is should be in the lower case. Okay now, you have understood. Now this is the new thing. Symbols are taken from the Latin name of an element. Okay, here you can see, if I have written sodium, as I have told, the first letter S, but S is for sulfur, then the problem would be there. Huh? So what you can write? You can write its Latin name, and its Latin name is natrium. And N is also for nitrogen, so I cannot write the first letter, so N, a small letter. Okay na? Then after you can see potassium. K. Okay na? Potassium. P it should be na? Potassium. So why I have written K? Because its Latin name is Kalium. Okay na? Kalium. So that's why K would be there. Okay na? So all the rules you have understood. Okay, that's it for the video. Thank you all of you.